Alright, let's talk about Google Earth. Here's how you get there. Launch Google Chrome. Type Google Earth. And then click Google Earth, click Launch Earth. This is better than Google Maps by far. So using your mouse, left button, right button, and the mouse wheel, and the pushing on the mouse wheel is called the middle button. So mouse wheel down, zooms out, and you can see the entire planet. If you hold the left mouse button, you can move around on the planet. Hold the middle mouse button and you can change the angle that you're looking at. Mouse wheel in, up and down gets you to zoom in and out. So here we're just looking at the Earth with no borders or boundaries, so it's hard to see where we are. But I can tell that's the Treasure Valley here. You can see all the irrigated crops. But you can turn on the layers over here and look at exploration. That'll give us an idea of where's Nampa. So looking for your house that we were talking about, you buying. It's off of 10 Mile, which is this road right here. You could also type in the search bar, type the address. So, but remember it's on this golf course here. And we probably want some, we could add some labels here. So layers is everything. So that'll give us roads and stuff. So Lakeview Golf Club, get rid of this. And you can already see this is his house with a pool. So here's why I like Google Earth, is because you can hold the left mouse button to move around. You can see those trees are three-dimensional. If you hold the middle mouse button, you can change the angle of the camera and sort of get an idea of where you are in that golf course. Oh, that's a big pond. Look at that. I didn't even realize that was there. So anyway, and then the way I use the measuring tool to measure this pool, I don't know if this has a cover on it or not, but anyway, you go to the bottom ruler and you just click and then click again, and then you can like make a rectangle and it'll tell you, change the units, feet. You can see how big it is in square feet, and you can like change the angle, but it's kind of cool. It's better than Google Maps, I think. If you ever wanted to see like the street view and actual photos, I think you can still do that by dragging this guy down here. It'll warp you to see the actual photo of it, which is pretty cool. Anyway, thought you might enjoy that.